requires time and patience. So number three is snoring. I hear a lot of people say they can't marry a person that's not, especially the ladies. Snoring is not a character flaw. Snoring is not a character flaw. People snore for different reasons. It could be as a result of stress or sleep positioning. When your partner sleep in a wrong position, they will snore. Once you reposition them, they will stop snoring. And also, there are some drugs I hear that are, if your partner takes, they can stop snoring. I heard it from a former boss. So it's not such a big deal. So number four is eating habit.